most annoying fire alarm ever. What? Yeah. Emergency. Emergency. Well, that was a good wake-up call.
Oh my God. It started out with some language.
I don't know.
It started